Hello, I'm Kat and welcome to Kat's Tales. Today we're going to take a stroll down Story Lane to see which one of our neighbours will come out to play.
There's a story garden not so far away, where characters from many tales will come out to play. Take a stroll along the street, I wonder who will come out to meet. Knock 3 times with a 1, 2, 3 and find out which friend we'll see.
I think our neighbours are waving hello and would like to come out and join us. I wonder who it could be. I think you're right. Birds live in that house. Do you see their wings waving hello? I know who it is. Shall I tell you? It's Peter and Paul. Let's call them out. Help me to knock. How many times? That's right, 3 times. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Come out, wherever you are. Hello, Peter and Paul. We're so happy that you could join us today for your little story in rhyme. Some of you at home might already know their story, but if you don't, I want you to listen carefully to where Peter and Paul are playing. Ready? 1 and a 2 and a chick-a-bamboo. 2 little Dickie Birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter, one named Paul. Fly away, Peter. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter. Come back, Paul. Did you listen out for where they were playing? That's right, wall. And wall rhymes with whose name? That's right, Paul. So this time, when we do the rhyme, I'm going to take one of our little Dickie Birds away. Which one shall I take away? We'll take away Peter this time. So Peter, you come and you can sit. And now, instead of saying Peter's name, I'm going to make a sound with one of my instruments, but we'll still say Paul. I wonder which instrument we could use. I've got it. Let's use a shaker. So instead of saying Peter's name, I'll have to remember to shake the shaker. And for Paul, I'll still say Paul's name. Ready? Help me at home. 1 and a 2 and a chick-a-bamboo. 2 little Dickie Birds sitting on the wall. One named Paul. Fly away, Paul. Come back, Paul. That was a bit tricky, wasn't it? I found it a bit difficult too. Shall we, this time, let's bring Peter back and use a shaker for Paul. So Paul, you come and sit over here. Welcome back, Peter. It's your turn to have a go with the shaker. This time when we do the story, how many times will we shake the shaker for Paul's name? Do you think we'll do it 2 times? No, that's right. We'll only shake it once because there's only one sound in Paul's name. Are you ready? Let's try it. 1 and a 2 and a chick-a-bamboo. 2 little Dickie Birds sitting on the wall. One named Peter, one named... Fly away, Peter, fly away. Come back, Peter, come back. That was so well done. Thank you for helping me. Don't forget to subscribe or like. Bye for now.
Knock 3 times with a 1, 2, 3 and find out which friend we'll see.